of soul. We are here and now. Here and now.
So it's getting real now. We just got back from our last grocery store run. We just needed to get some fresh veggies and some cheese and wine and a little bit of rum. Speaking of which, where's that bag at? Oh, there it is. Okay. And we went and got some wine and some rum and some. Returned the we returned the rental car, and I think all they have left to do is put some pins in or something, and tomorrow morning we are leaving Puerto Rico. Woo! How you feel about that?
I'm ready. I'm beyond ready.
Show us our route.
I'm figuring it up right now. That would be it right there. It's 44 miles, and that would put us in St.Thomas and Red Hook Bay.
Red Hook Bay. Is that where Connie and
Yep.
Bruce are?
Yep.
We are very, very conservative sailors. Thank God. Got the last little bit of washing done. It's gonna be good sail. Alright. Oh, I gotta pick up this little bit of stuff. Get this put away. And I think I'm gonna make Tim take us out tonight.
Hey, I just...
We are saying goodbye to Puerto Rico. We're leaving Puerto del Rey right now. Just gonna head out the pass. We're excited. You want to tell everybody what you just did?
Just put the main and the jib out. Now we're completely sailing.
For the first time since our accident, since we lost our mast, we raised our sails. Look, it's beautiful. We're on our way to St. Thomas. Just left Puerto Rico, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous. Ohana's had a lot of stuff done to her. She was on the heart for a while. Right now, the winds are blowing. What, 15?
17 apparently.
17.
We're doing 7 knots.
17 apparent wind, and seas 3 to 4 foot. Not too bad. A little rolly, but it feels good. Tim's happy. He'll be more happy after I get over my anxiety about being back on the water after the incident. But so far everything looks good. The sails are beautiful, the weather is beautiful. When me and Thor got back from his walk,
Sailing and not motoring.
yeah, we're sailing and not motoring. We're doing what, about 6 knots?
26 and then 7.5.
We're doing between 6 and 7.5 knots. So it's nice. When me and Thor got back from his walk this morning, the engines were, Tim was warming up the engines, getting in preparation of us leaving. And Thor got so excited. So he knew something was up. But oh, I saw it. You can see the top of the rock over there. The shallow spot.
We are 10 miles from St. Thomas, and we just went through the Virgin Pass, and it was rough as hell. It was probably 5 to 6 foot, but the period was probably like 4 to 5 seconds.
It was very, very choppy.
Yeah, and we were only doing, like, with both engines running at 2,500 RPMs, we were only doing about probably 3 to 5.5 knots.
And we were beating into it.
Yeah, and between the current and the wind, we couldn't go nowhere. We finally just about broke out of that. We got a little bit further to go, but it's calming down now. So what happens is all the water from the Atlantic, the swells from the Atlantic coming in between Culabrita and
St. Thomas?
St. Thomas. The water's only 150 foot deep there, so it gets pretty rough. Now, hopefully we're going to turn in a little while and put the sails back up.
Good Lord, the salt elevator. That's the salt elevator. We're ready to commit. Got about an hour left. An hour and a half.
Jumpy ass Bay, James Bay.
The one we're going into or the one we just passed?
This one right here, this is James Bay.
Okay, this is James Bay. And we're heading through the pass now to go.
This is Great Bay.
Great.
Great Bay.
This is James Bay. And we're heading through the pass now to go to Great Bay. Is that where we're anchoring over there? being it's surrounded by islands, that it would be common here.
That's the tide. That's what's doing this.
It is crazy cold right now. It's the welcome committee.
Hey, you know how to drive that thing?